So Hannah and I practice something called rotational grazing. This is where you pack your animals into small paddocks with solar electrified fencing, as you see here. This helps protect them, but also kind of keep them packed together. The beauty of rotational grazing is that they don't overgraze the grass. They eat some grass, and every day or day and a half we move them into a new paddock. Um, and then that grass behind them that they just left will have a chance to recover. So they'll eat this grass, and then they'll move on to another paddock, and they won't revisit that same grass for probably at this point about 35 days. The goal is to spread out their manure, to preserve some of that grass, to build the diversity of the grasses so that some of the more sensitive grasses will continue to grow. Johnson grass, for instance, is one that they love, and they'll overeat it if left to their druthers. And it's also worth mentioning that rotational grazing, when you move them so often, they actually leave their parasites and such behind in their manure, and so they don't revisit that spot until the parasite's life cycle is actually passed. So it's a sort of holistic medicine, rotational grazing, so it keeps them safe, builds soil, and keeps them healthy. Pretty nifty.